Imagine if you could own a piece of the moon. Not just any piece, but a whole chunk. How much do you think it would be worth? Let's explore the fascinating question, how much is the moon worth? 1. The moon's resources. The moon is a treasure trove of valuable resources. It's rich in helium-3, a clean energy source that could revolutionize our planet's power grid. There's also water ice, which can be used for drinking, oxygen production, and rocket fuel. Additionally, the moon has rare earth elements like titanium and platinum, essential for modern technology. 2. The moon's commercial value. The potential commercial value of the moon is staggering. Companies like SpaceX and Blue Origin are investing heavily in lunar exploration and colonization. The moon could become a refueling station for deep space missions, a tourist destination, or even a place to mine resources. 3. The moon's legal status. But who owns the moon? In 1967, the Outer Space Treaty declared the moon and other celestial bodies to be the common heritage of mankind. This means no country can claim ownership of the moon. However, it doesn't prohibit private companies or individuals from exploring and exploiting its resources. 4. The challenges of lunar exploration. Despite the potential rewards, exploring and colonizing the moon is incredibly challenging. The harsh environment, extreme temperatures, and lack of atmosphere pose significant risks. Additionally, the cost of transporting materials to and from the moon is prohibitively high. 5. The future of lunar exploration. As technology advances, the cost of lunar exploration is likely to decrease. New propulsion systems, reusable rockets, and advanced robotics could make it more feasible to extract resources from the moon. In the future, the moon could become a vital part of our economy and a stepping stone for human exploration of the solar system. So, how much is the moon worth? While it's impossible to put a precise figure on it, the moon's potential value is immense. As we continue to explore and develop new technologies, the moon's economic importance is likely to grow. With that said, thanks for watching, and until next time.